Guess what, peoples? Welcome back to Robbie Dobby's YouTube cam. Got some great news. I found the tarantula that I lost my son's tarantula. I didn't want him to know that I lost it. So I did the same thing I did with the scorpion. If I can't solve the problem, just go buy a new one. I still can't find the tarantula. Scorpion is somewhere around the house, but the second one committed suicide. I'll show you in a second what happened. It's still in there. No one knows that it's dead. I'll show you. Anyways, I bought my son a tarantula. Got lost. It got out. I bought a second one, but I found it. Here it is. Here's one that we bought. Or I bought, because I didn't want to hide it from my son. Don't tell him. Zacharia-N-PAPA. He has a YouTube channel. Don't tell him. I have a challenge. Why don't you guys subscribe or like, and then leave a comment on what we should name the tarantulas, because there's no name picked out. My son didn't pick out a name, and I'll have him pick out the ones that he'll look at the comments that you guys leave about picking the names for each tarantula. They're pink-toed tarantulas, and so we can turn off the emergency, because Miss Birdie 2, can you turn off the emergency lights, because the search and rescue mission was a complete success. Anyways, I was in the bathroom trying to put orange peels, because I was caring about, I didn't want to show you guys my 3 bad pimples on my face, but I said, what, screw it. I'm going to embrace my natural self, Anyways, okay, let's turn off the mirror buds. Okay. Oh crap, did I miss it? No. Okay, oh shit, my thing's about to die, yo. Anyways, kudos to Channel 2. You taught me more shit than I did learn in high school and college. From when I graduated college to now. Kudos. I didn't have this is a temporary cage for my tarantula that is lost. Ooh, it's moving. Ooh, it's eating. Again. Is it? Is it? Or is it thirsty? Ooh.
That's weird, isn't it?
I think the tarantula's eating again. It's like the third one. That works. Oh, I shouldn't do this, but you can stick anything in there. Oh, damn, all the quarters are in there, which I need for the laundry. Damn it. Oh, there we go. Success. Okay, cool. Well, here we go. It's going up there. Oh shit, I just squashed it. I think, oh good, no, good. Oh good, it's up there, it's up there. Good, it's hiding. Hiding right there. Oh shit, I almost squashed it. Sorry, tarantula. I made a quote. Oh, fuck. Oh shit, sorry, pardon my French. I just realized I left the top off. That's not good. Tarantula's right there. Tarantula's right there. And here is, on the other side, is the top. Oh, crap. There you go, yes, got it. Okay, good. Covered. Cool. Oh, damn, that was a close one. Tarantula almost got free again. Okay, no, it would have worked her way over there too, man. That's good. It's right there. She would have worked its way over this way, right? And then right up out that shaft. That was a close call, I just remembered. I already had to block this prize shoot on. Anyways, emergency's done. Search and rescue success. And if you guys want me to make any custom cages for you, give me a challenge. I'm really up for this challenge. I can make anything into a terrarium, aquarium, or cage. Oh crap, I need to turn the TV off in the bathroom. I don't know who left it on. I'll show you real quick where it was. It was right there. Webbed is still up there. On that sharper image box. Must have. I started from there, escaped, went all the way up, ate some critters right in there. I don't know. That must be a detonator. I still think it is. Nobody knows. Can tell me what it is. It went over there and slept over there. Probably all the flies. No problem. That's fine. Anyways, I'm selling that cage to my sister-in-law, Vanessa Lamb. So I'm going to have to make another custom cage for the 2 lizards. Long-tailed lizards. Except, oh shit, what did I do? Oh shit, what did I do? For a second we were watching YouTube in YouTube. YouTube inside of YouTube. Oh, Caillou. I remember back Barney, Arthur, Reading Rainbow, Lamb Chops, all the good shit. Oh shit, I better put it back. Because my son's gonna be pissed. Well, no, he's already pissed off at me because someone scratched his GTA and now he can't play it. It doesn't work. It doesn't recognize. We'll play. There's a lot of great DJs, but I can't really listen to DJ techno music in the car because it makes me want to street race again like I did in the past. But I got too much of a bad history from that. But Tiesto, Garrett, you guys, and etc. A bunch of brand new DJs are awesome. Wish I could DJ. Some plays guitar. Can you join? Zach McDonald, he has his own channel. Anyways, I'll show you the. What did I do with the Okay, let's see, what did I do with the well, that's a cool bike that we found and I painted it. The rims are pink. Garrett, you the shit, man. Anyways, oh yeah. I forgot. Wait. I'm going to find the cage, but I can't find. Oh no. The Scorpin is still committed suicide, and as you've seen in the previous video, I could show you on the phone. I broke his stinger, of course, from pretending it was a puppet. But I made it look like he was still alive. But no one is able to tell the difference. Nobody knows. The other one's loose around the house somewhere. But at least I found the tarantula. Yay! This is another custom cage. HD TV up on the wall, y'all. See, I make custom cages. I love customizing. It's like my old business back in the day. Bring me anything, I can make it into a tobacco pipe. Okay? Tobacco. Back in the day though, before kids. Now it's custom cages. Then me and my son, we made a take a book, leave a book free library. Actually, I layered the roof with tiled the roof, painted it. I was going to put outside. I might make that into a 3-level house for the lizards, 3-level floors. There's already roofs in it. We haven't even got the roof on it, but it's all done. Just has to be put back together. Or was it going to be a little free library or food? Take a food, leave food. I can't show over there, that's incriminating. I can't show right there, that's incriminating, even though I already got sand in it. Brought to you by Water 2. Oh shit, where did it go? Oh, is it still there? Yes. Success.
What is this? This is simple, Jay. Right? I either wash my hands of the pair of you and walk away now.
Oh, it's shy of the light.
You and me get together properly and start building something together. I And maybe that way you won't end up in hospital for upsetting some local little hooligan. Or even worse, prison. The choice is yours. Only make it now. Well, that's easy enough.
Yeah. And there's that other one. The bench, I put them both together, so, or they fight like the lizards. Here, Sparrow, you cutie. Cutie, you. Oh, better get you clean your cage and get you a nice bird bag. My two first fishies I put interracial porn. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Damn, are they? What are they doing? Black and white marriage. Oh, they're making love. They're having sex. Oh yeah. Fishy porn. Why are you guys having fishy porn? Naughty. Interracial porno couple. But again, I'm all for interracial marriage. Nice chocolate. Good piece of chocolate. Or Asian persuasion. Oriental. Oh, sorry. Oh, they are afraid of light. That's why I got one white and one black to represent interracial couples. Is that the Scorpin? See, me and my son were cool with the Scorpion being loose. And the tarantula. So it keeps my son's mom out of my house. Sometimes. We won't do that first. Anyways, peace out. Got the tarantula back. Right on the back. It's good day. And this is the end of Robbie TV's Robbie's Crib. Dun, 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 dun. There goes the there goes the white car. I have to fix up the dent I caused right there in the front. That's getting cremated too. There. Oh. Okay, let's bypass that. And see that dent in the front? I know. Don't look at the boat, look at the dent. I got the black marking off of the front bumper. Piece of oh, actually, one more thing. I forgot. Besides Garrett. Ended with Garrett, and what is that thing, you wonder? Oh, come on, baby. Come on, this way. Nightclub and music, yo, and I got some black lights. Black lights represents all around, yo. Yeah, I'm dancing. Technology, man. I better turn that down because the neighbors are probably hearing the subs. There's my custom habitat I made with real cactuses from there when I went to the Atlantic Ocean. See if you can spot the one that has a chopped tail that got chopped twice from escaping. Well, that cactus is green, coming back green. And then there's some real cactuses also. Right, here's one. Is that the one with the cut up tail right there? Oh, that's too close. Yeah. Are you the one with the cut up tail, little buddy? Little bit. Blum, blum, blum. See if I can find him. Oh wow, I've never seen him actually sleep before like that. Oh, he's sleeping. You sleeping? That's the one with, oh, that's the one with the chopped tail. Hope it's not two. That's the one that got the chopped tail. You can see a better view right here. That's the one with the chopped tail, man. There's the one that has a